Tuesday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County weather. Off to a wet start this morning out there. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on outside currently. We've got some rain moving through the area and through the county, some heavy rain to our south, and we'll see pockets of heavy rain move throughout the day. We've actually got a few pockets of heavy rain here in the county now. Let's go ahead and get in a little bit closer to home so you can see where those are. So we're like Rockwell and Granite Quarry probably seeing some heavy rain at this point, and we'll continue to keep an eye on that as we go through the day today. The big story is going to be that once we get through with the rain today, we'll dry out tomorrow, but then on Thursday, severe weather is likely. We'll have more on that in just a moment. Let's go ahead and turn all this data off here, all the satellite data off, and turn on the model data so you can see what we can expect as we go through the day today. Let's go ahead and pull up. So this is, we're going to go hour by hour here, and this is 7 a.m. So you see here's Salisbury, China Grove, Cleveland. We'll get in a little closer to home for you. Show a couple of little other areas here. So here's Kannapolis, Enochville, Rockwell, and Mooresville, Troutman. So again, this is 7 a.m. And as we move hour by hour, you see some pockets of heavy rain move through. 8 a.m. There's some heavy rain in Cleveland. 9 a.m. heavy rain for most of the county. By 10 a.m. still looking at heavy rain in the southern part of the county. 11 a.m. heavy rain in the eastern part of the county. Rockwell, Granite Quarry, Faith, Gold Hill, areas like that. As we head to midday, still got some rain going on, but lightening up just a little bit. And as we head to 1 p.m. this afternoon, now 2 p.m. starting to become a little isolated. 3 p.m. still isolated. 4 p.m. you see we're kind of clear. 5 p.m. still some isolated showers moving in. And as we head, into the evening hours, we'll continue to see some isolated showers make their way through. This is now 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10, and 11. And you can see the rain starts to taper off as we get into the late evening hours. So we'll certainly continue to keep you updated throughout the day with some radar updates on what's going on. Now let's go ahead and turn all this off and go ahead and focus on what's going to happen with us over the next 3 days as far as severe weather goes. So today, and we'll back this out so you can see where the lines start to increase. We're under a general thunderstorm risk today. That lightning data is still on. Let me turn that off real quick so that doesn't confuse anybody. All right, so today we've got a general thunderstorm risk. Here's Rowan County. The northwest edge of the county is just outside of this, but I wouldn't really count yourself out of it. But again, just general thunderstorms, no real concern for severe thunderstorms today. And then as you head southwest and to the south, those chances become marginal. So let's go ahead and take it to day 2 now, which would be Wednesday. And you can see we've still got a general thunderstorm risk for Wednesday, but I'm not really anticipating that we see any rain at this point, mainly because of this high pressure that's right here. And I left that on just to really kind of show you that. Now that we've been able to get through that, let me turn the fronts off and everything. So, on Wednesday, we'll see the chance that we could see some thunderstorm or, general thunderstorms. But again, I'm not anticipating that we see any rain at all. I don't even have it in the forecast. When we get to Thursday, that's where things change. So let's go ahead and bring up Thursday for you now. And here you can see, and we'll get in closer to home. So we've got a marginal risk to our west in terms of mainly close to eastern Tennessee, central and eastern Tennessee, and then for the extreme eastern part of Tennessee and into western North Carolina, they're under a slight risk for severe weather. And then for us here in Rowan County, we are under an enhanced risk for severe weather. The big concern for us is going to be the fact that we can see some damaging winds come through and a lot of lightning with these systems. Can't rule out isolated tornadoes. Can't rule out the fact that we could see some minor flooding around the area. And we can't rule out the fact that we could see hail. But the main threats at this point are for damaging winds and frequent lightning. So severe thunderstorms are likely to happen on Thursday. So make sure you stay weather aware. We just went through severe weather preparedness week last week. So all the details on how to prepare for all of these events were in there, all the topics, and you can certainly go back and watch those. They were in the daily forecast last week, and they're all available on my social media platforms as well. So, we'll certainly keep you updated if once we lock in for sure on what the exact main threats are, I'll certainly give you some tips again on how to prepare for those. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Visit Rowan County. We'll come back. We'll talk about the weather impacts for today. We'll talk about how much rain we could see by this evening, and we'll talk about the 5-day forecast and more. We'll be right back in just a moment. The weather impact sponsored by Patterson Farm. The virtual tour is going on right now, the Buzz on Bees tour and the Strawberry tour. For more information, visit pattersonfarm.com. If you're a teacher looking for a way to provide at least some sort of virtual field trip for your students, it's a great opportunity to do so. Again, for more information, visit pattersonfarm.com for the Buzz on Bees tour and the Strawberry tour. Rain moves through during the daytime hours, tapering off by late evening. Could see some pockets of heavy rain as we move through the day and into the afternoon. Winds will be out of the northeast at around 5 miles an hour, keeping the temperatures cold. And as far as rainfall accumulation totals, we can see around 0.6 of an inch in Lexington, Denton, Coolamy. Also around 0.7 of an inch in Rockwell, around 1/2 an inch for areas like Mooresville, China Grove, Granite Quarry, and around 0.4 of an inch for Cleveland and Salisbury. Now, again, you could see more depending on where pockets of heavy rain move through and how long they last, but this is just a general idea of what we're expecting to see as we move through the day. Again, the range looking at like around, I'd say 1/2 an inch to 3/4 of an inch as we move through the day and into the evening hours. And again, most of the rain tapers off by late evening. The Pollen Outlook, sponsored by Goodnight's Lawn Care. They offer services like mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, and various other services. For more information and pricing, give them a call, 980-521-1937. These guys take care of my lawn, and I love it. Again, 980-521-1937 for more information on services provided and pricing. The Pollen Outlook, you can see we're going to have some relief today with the rain moving through this morning. We'll see low levels of pollen today. They start to ramp back up as we move through the week to extreme levels by the weekend. The main drivers continue to be juniper, elm, and maple. The 5-day forecast, sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. We'll see a 90% chance of rain today, high of only 47 degrees, low of 43 with mostly cloudy skies by late evening. On Wednesday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies with a high of 65, low of 54 under cloudy skies. By Thursday, the chance for severe weather is there, 80% chance of severe weather, thunderstorms, and again, the main concern that we will have is damaging winds and lightning. And it really, let me rephrase it, 80% chance of thunderstorms, but severe weather again is likely. 72 for the high, 49 for the low. Again, keep in mind the damaging winds and the frequent lightning are the main concerns right now. On Friday, we start to dry back out. Partly sunny skies, high of 62 degrees, mostly clear skies Friday evening with a low of 33. And on Saturday, we cool off a little bit. Partly sunny skies, high of 52 with a low of 32, and mostly clear skies by Saturday evening. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. That is available on Hotwire Channel 394 and Spectrum Channel 16, and we'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Tuesday, and as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.